kids, how are you today? I hope you're fine. Today we are talking about movements of animals. So how do animals move? But before we start, let's remember some actions and some movements. What also can you do? So do you remember when I asked you, what can you do? Can you, what's this? Jump. Can you jump? Yes, I can, you told me, right? I can jump. So this is movement, jump, right? What's next? Do you see? Swim. So can you swim? Yes, I can. Remember? And what's this? It's walk. Remember, like in the song, walking, hop, hop. So can you walk? Yes, I can. And do you remember run? So can you run? Yes, I can run. What's next? This is climb. So can you climb? Yes, I can climb. And one more. Do you know what says? Crow. So can you crow? So when you were very small babies, so you could crow like this baby, right? So crow. Look how to write this word. C-R-A-W-L. So, and now I will show you some animals, and maybe you can tell me what can they do? How can they move? For example, bird. So can it jump? Maybe sometimes like a little bit jump, on the ground. Can it swim? No, it cannot. Can it climb? No, I don't think so. Can it run? Sometimes. Can it walk? Yes, it can walk on the ground with its two legs, right? Two legs. Yeah, it can walk and also fly. Another word, fly. Remember? So bird can fly. What about frog? Can it jump? Yes, frog can jump and crow. So this is what a frog can do. What about snake? Can it jump? I know you have one in Thailand, one snake, and the name of it jumping snake. So it's like it can jump, but normally snakes cannot jump and cannot run. It can, but it can crow. So snake can crow. Crow. Okay. What about turtle? So turtle can it jump? No, it cannot. Can it swim? Yes. Special sea turtles, they can swim in the water and it can crow. So turtle can swim and crow. So what about fish? Can it crow? Can it walk? Can it jump? Can it climb? Remember the song? Little fish, can you climb? No, I can't, I can't climb. Little fish, can you swim? Yes, I can, I can swim. So fish can swim in the water. Good job. So what about horse? Horse, can it swim? I don't think so. Can it crawl? No, it's not. It's movement, but it can run. Yes, horses can run and walk, and maybe a little bit jump. One day want to cross some barriers. It's special sport. So horses can walk and run and a little bit sometimes jump. This is what I saw. So, and what about lizard? Lizard can climb on a tree, climb and walk, or maybe even just crawl. I would say crawl. So this is what lizard can do. So let's read some text in a book, and after this, when I read it for you, after you need to make your homework, science workbook on page number 28. Okay, you can see some animals and some actions, what they can do. This is jump, walk, crawl, run, fly, slither. What does it mean, slither? So, for example, snake can slither, and swim. So, what do you see? Pigeon or bird, butterfly, snake, fish, frog, lizard, horse, turtle. So you need to match. For example, can this bird jump? I don't think so. Walk? Yes, it can walk and fly. So you need to match picture and word of actions. Okay, for example, fish. It can swim. So you need to match. Fish, swim. Can it slither? No, slither is just on the ground, and it's like for snake, for example. So snake can slither. So you need to match this. So this is that will be your homework, page 28. Match and trace. And I will read for you text, and then you will watch some video about movements of animals, and after you make this your homework. And after, I suggest you to make your own presentation. Take a piece of paper, and then, for example, I will take a piece of paper, and after, maybe I will draw some animal which doesn't exist, just your animal. Okay, draw your animal, and then you can make a presentation with your animal, and for example, I don't know, all of them exist, you know. How to explain you? For example, rhinoceros, you know, rhinoceros, it exists, but it's like, for example. But for example, I draw this animal, and maybe with wings, you know, wings. I can put some wings, and I can say that this is rhino fly, will be rhino fly. This is my animal, and after I need to answer 3 questions about body parts. What kind of body parts does it have? And the second question is what it can do, movements. So for example, it can fly, it can walk, it can run, and it has 2 ears, 2 wings, 4 legs, and so on. And number 3, you need to answer where does it live. So my rhino fly live in the sky on a big tree, because this is just my animal and it's like from my imagination. So you make this presentation, make video and send it to me, please. Okay, so now I will read for you some text, and you are thinking about your homework. Movements of animals. How do animals move? Horses, cheetahs, dogs, and cats walk and run with their legs. Walk and run. Frogs can jump or crawl on land with their legs. They can swim in water with their legs too. Look at this. Monkeys, what do you see? Monkeys climb and swing from tree to tree with their arms and legs. Most birds and pigeons, parrots and flamingos can walk with their feet and fly with their wings. Some animals fly with their wings. For example, butterflies and dragonflies. How do other animals move? A snake slithers. Dolphins swim with their fins. Ants crawl with their 6 legs. Crawl. Cheetahs are the fastest land animal. However, they cannot run long distances. This is cheetah. Okay, kids, so see you next time. Watch my videos and make your homework. Bye bye.